In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by status in Smartsheet. Filtering by status is a quick way to focus on exactly what matters, whether that's tasks that are not started, in progress, or already complete. Before we can filter, we need a place where those status values live. And in Smartsheet, that means having a status column. If your sheet doesn't already have one, no problem. Add a new column and choose the status type. This gives you a dedicated column designed for tracking progress. You can use the built-in status options or your own list, but the key is that your tasks have a status selected in that column. Once your status column is set and you see different statuses assigned across your rows, you're ready to filter. Now, let's filter by status. Go to the header of your status column and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Filter. This opens the filter controls for that column so you can narrow the view without changing any underlying data. You'll see a drop-down where you can pick a condition. Choose the condition that fits what you want to see. For example, you might want to show rows that match a specific status or include several statuses at once. The drop-down gives you that flexibility. Next, you'll see a list of the available statuses from your sheet. Click to check the ones you want to include. As you select them, Smartsheet instantly updates the view to show only the rows that match your choices. If you want to focus on a single status, check just that one. If you want a broader view, check multiple statuses. You can adjust your selection at any time to widen or narrow your results. This makes it easy to zero in on work that needs attention right now, like items that are behind or tasks that have recently moved to complete. That's it. With just a few clicks, ensuring you have a status column, right-clicking that column to open Filter, choosing a condition from the drop-down, and checking the statuses you want. You've created a clean, focused view of your sheet. This approach helps you quickly find what you need without scrolling through every row, and it keeps your team aligned on what's in progress and what's done. Thanks for watching. Try these steps on your own sheet, and you'll be filtering by status in seconds.